In this video, we are going to see how to reduce the SOP or POS expression by using the K-map. In the previous video, I had taught you how to plot the Karnaugh map. In this video, we will see how to reduce the expressions. Now we will see the first one, reducing the SOP expression by using the K-map. We can use both the expressions, SOP expression or POS expression, and both the expressions can be reduced with the help of the K-map. So this is the first part where we are going to see that how to reduce the SOP expression using the K-map. So we can reduce the SOP expression by making pair, quad or octet of ones. We see here it is a 4 variable K-map, which you see, suppose the K-map is having ones in the places provided as 0, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. So we can make a pair, like this is a pair where two ones are combined. Or we can make a quad. Quad means a pair of 4. So here you see the 4 ones are closer to each other, which we can enclose. Or we see the corners, all the 4 corners. Now we are having different terms that we will see later in this video about these terms, but you can able to understand now that these ones which are in the corner also forms one square. So this can also be put under one quad. We will see the another one, plotting. Here this is another K-map where we have the ones at the place of 0, 5, 7, 8 and 14. So we see that we can make a pair here as these are closer to each other, and then we can make a pair of these two corners also. If we overlap, then we see that like a roll if we make, then this edge can be joined with this edge. Similarly, the vertical edges can also combine together to form the pair, quad or octet. We see this one which is not getting any pair because all these empty places are filled with 0. We cannot make a corner overlapping or corner pairing. This is not allowed. That's why I had marked it as a red pen and crossed it. Many of the students do like this. So in a Karnaugh map, you cannot do pairing, making quad or a octet corner wise. So you remember, you can only go with the square type of shapes, not the oval. Not the oval means corner wise you cannot do pairing. Any corner, suppose there is a 1, you cannot do corner. Okay, let us see the another one. This is your octet. So we have seen this is your quad, this is your pair, and this is your octet. Octet means where 8 ones are combined together one at a time. We see here in this Karnaugh map there are ones over here also as well as here also. So we can make one pair, one quad, one octet. So in this Karnaugh map we always see the maximum how we can make. So we see that we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones together. So we make it as one octet instead of pair or a 2 quadrate. And we see here also there is a pair of a set of 4 ones are here. So instead of making it as a quadrate, we use the overlapping technique and we join this edge with this edge. Not we can say overlapping, it is your roll mapping technique where this edge and this edge are combined together and so here this ones and this ones combining together will form another quad, another octet. So there are 2 octets in this Karnaugh map. Let us see the another part of the Karnaugh map, that is to reduce the POS expression by using the K-map. Now it is very important to remember, in SOP we go with ones, so we do the pairing, quadrate or octet of ones, but in POS we do with zeros. So we will plot a Karnaugh map, and wherever the designation values, we will plot the designation values, and wherever the values provided, those places we will put 0. So this is an imaginary Karnaugh map for POS expression. So we see here that we are getting 4 zeros together here. So we will make it as one quad, and then 2 zeros over here. So we will make it as a pair. Now it is important to understand. Some of you would have thought that why not this also? If all the members or all the components of your quad or a pair are already in pairing, we do not go for overlapping technique. So if there is no 0 here, then we would have gone for a overlapping technique and make a pair, making use of one of the quad member. But this is not possible for this combination, as it is already having 1 0 here. So we can see that corner overlapping is not allowed. So any type of like corner overlapping, suppose here is a 0, so we cannot do corner overlapping. In that case, the entire this member which is not having any pair or any quad or any octet will be written as it is. Now there are some rules of pairing. Pairing can be done either vertically or horizontally. So you can make any quadrate, octet or a pair either vertically or horizontally. So we see here there are 2 ones, one after the another, vertically or horizontally. So we see that at any direction we get 2 cell address combination where either row is freeze or both the cells or column is freeze. This means, you see, for this vertical combination, suppose here we are getting A bar B bar, and here A bar B, and here C bar D bar. Now this C bar D bar is fixed for both, where the changing is in the row. Similarly, if we get the horizontal pair, then we see that the row value is fixed and column value will keep changing. So this is what it is explained here, that either we go with your vertical or horizontal pairing, any one of the cell address where the column or the row will be freeze and the changing components are here. Now it says that how to reduce. So we see that how it is reducing. So we will go vertically. We see that the column address is same for both the cell, but row address are changing for each. Similarly, when we go horizontally, row is freeze and for both the cells, whereas column address are changing. So here we see that suppose A bar B bar, A bar B, C bar D bar, we see we are getting one pair. Now for the first pair we used to write M0 plus M4 because these are the designation value of the cell, and then we write its min term combinations, that is your A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar for M0, and for M4 we are getting A bar, B, C bar, D bar. How to reduce? it is very important to understand that the changing components are removed. So we see that A bar is common. C bar D bar is also common for both. The changing component is here B bar and B. So B bar and B will cancel each other and we will get the answer as A bar, C bar, D bar. So we see here from this SOP expression A bar, C bar, D bar, where B bar plus B will reduce to 1 and we get the answer A bar, C bar, D bar. Therefore, we can say that pairing reduces one component from the expression. So this is also very important to understand that if we pair, then out of the 4 component, one component will be reduced. Let us see the next one, reducing of a quad. If we are getting a quad, then how to reduce it? So quad means set of 4, that is either vertically, horizontally or in a shape of a square. Quad removes the variables which change their states and a quad removes 2 variables. We see here some of the expression K-map. See the first one. This is also one K-map where we are having some ones. Remember always the empty places will be filled with zeros. So is it a quad? No. Even though there are 4 ones, it is not a quad because they are in pairing. See, this one and this one is in pair and M4 and M6 is in pair. So this is not a quad. Let us see the another example. Is this a quad? Yes, this is a quad. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a set of 4. This is also a set of 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also a set of 4. So this is a quad. Now see how when we are pairing. When we are pairing or means when we are making a quads, first quad is this one. Then we immediately make a quad of this. Then we see that there are 2 corners left over here. Quad, the rule says out of 4, maximum 2 can go for pairing. So here the 4, these 2 are going for pairing. Pairing means with the next quad. So it making this 2 quad with these 2 pairs of ones, we make one more quad. Then we cannot make one quad even though we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 here, as all the quad members are already in grouping. So we cannot make this. This is called redundant. Redundant means repetition. So we cannot do any repetition. Redundant cells or redundant pairing has to be removed. So this I had made as a light pen, indicating that this is not possible. So if the quad members are already in their pairing, we don't go for repeating and doing it again, making one quad. So we see the rule. Rule of the quad says that it is a set of 4 which reduces 2 components. So let us see the example for quad. Suppose one quad is M1, M3, M9 and M11. So out of this min-term combinations, we see the shortcut method. If we see, then we will see that A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, B bar, B bar is common where A is there. So A bar, A will cancel. Then we see the next changing component is C. C bar, C bar. It will also cancel. So we will get the answer B bar, D, as B bar, D is common in each. So in a expression form, we can solve it as A bar, B bar, D with these 2, C and C bar. So we will put it here. With these 2, we are again getting C, plus C bar, it will be reduced to 1. This will also be reduced to 1. The next expression that we will get, A bar B bar D plus A B bar D. So we see here that here A bar and A. So we see B bar D, A bar plus A will reduce to 1 and we get the answer B bar D. So this is the way we use to reduce a quad. The next we will see how to reduce an octet. Octet means a set of 4. So octet can be formed by making a group of 8 ones, means a set of 8. Octet removes the 3 variables which changes their state. So remember, from pair we reduce 1, from quad we reduce 2, and from octet we reduce 3. So we see here this is one octet. Here the 8 ones are combined together. So we can make M4, M5, M6 plus M7 plus M12 plus M13 plus M14 plus M15. So how we have got this? By writing just the designation value of the cells which are under your combination. And then this is the shortcut method. Just cross the components which are cancelling each other, like W bar W, W bar W, W bar W, W bar W will cancel. Similarly, Y bar and Y will cancel, Z bar and Z will cancel. We are having X all the places present. There is no inverse component of X present, so X will remain. So from the octet we get X. Therefore, the reduced expression will be X. Now it is important to understand some terms that we say, that I had explained in the first part of this video only. Map rolling. Map rolling means where the edges, it is only applicable with the K map, Karnaugh map, where the edges are having values, they make a square or a corner, and then it is considered as a continuous cells. Just like if we roll the paper, the two edges are combined and it is considered as in a continuation. So if the corner cells are having values, it will be considered as a square. If only these two corners are having values, it will be considered as a pair. But if this corner and this corner is having value, we cannot overlap corner wise. So that is not applicable. The next one, if we are having like two edges like this, the first and the last one, then also it will be combined and it will be considered as an quadrate or octet or a pair according to the number of ones or zeros present. Now this rules and terms and the way is applicable for both POS and SOP. Pairing of a quadrate, whether of 0 or 1, of a octet, whether of 0 or 1, or of a pair, whether of 0 and 1, the rule and the way is same. Let us see the another one, overlapping. Here overlapping means they are asking to share some of the common components. Now we see here, this is a quadrate. This is also a quadrate. These quadrate members are common in both. So we have learned as in Venn diagram, some of the members can be common. So like that, the sum of the, like from quadrate, 2 can go for pairing with the other quadrate. For octet, 4 can go for pairing with the other octet. For a pair, only 1 can go for the other. The entire octet or the entire quadrate cannot go with the other quadrate or octet. So it is summarizing that for pair, one component can go for pairing. For quadrate, maximum 2 components can go for overlapping or pairing, and for octet, maximum 4 components can go for overlapping. So this is your overlapping, which is sharing their component values. And the next is redundant group. That also I had explained that if it is already in pair, again we cannot make one more pair where the members are already with some other members. So this is, we see that it is a group where all the ones are overlapped by the other group. So redundant group must be removed. So this is the redundant group which has to be removed. It is not applicable. This will be wrong. Let us see an example. Like in a given Boolean expression function a, b, c, d, where the values are of the term summation 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 11. Reduce the above expression by using the 4 variable K-map as the number of variables are 4, and draw the logic gate diagram for the reduced expression. So this is the Karnaugh map where it is of sum of product. We see we have plotted once, and this is your one quadrate, this is also your one quadrate, and this is your one pair. So we see that therefore there are 2 quads and 1 pair. So the first quad members we will write and then we will reduce. From the first quad we get the reduced value as a bar b. From the second quad we get the reduced value as b bar c. Let us see how we are getting this. Now you see, that is the another method we have seen. From the Karnaugh map also we can derive